Hey, good afternoon, adjuster. This is Luis again. So today I'm gonna proceed again with a temp repair. So like I was explaining at the big in the last video, so we replaced these 2 damaged shingles and we got 4 damaged shingles. So today I'm gonna replace this shingle that's creased. I'm also gonna replace this shingle, and also I'm gonna replace this shingle and another one's here, the creased shingle. But today I'm just gonna replace these 3 shingles. As you can see here, so I'm gonna replace this shingle that's marked, replace, and that one's another one that I'm gonna replace. But the most important is I'm gonna replace these 3 shingles. As you can see here, there's not any crease shingles on this one. Replace shingles, there's not any crease here. There's not any crease shingles that we got. So I'm gonna proceed with the repair. The first thing I'm gonna do is start to remove the shingles that we got. This is all remove it. I'm gonna start to remove the nails. Okay. Okay, this one too. So the reason that I have to remove this one is because this is already out, but there's more nails in this section, so that's why I have to remove the shingle. Okay. Okay, this is this. Okay. All right. So the damage shingle, it's out. So I'm gonna proceed to remove this crease shingles. So this is the other shingle damage. Alright, so I have to replace, I have to remove this shingle that was damaged. I'm gonna proceed. Okay, so this is the third one. So the shingle I'm gonna replace because to replace this shingle we have to remove the ridge cap. So I'm just gonna do the attempt repair again, just three damaged shingles. As you can see, I remove all the shingles that we have. I said to put it back. Nail it back. So the reason that I don't use this tool is because once I'm trying to do the nail back, you see the nail, and also it doesn't matter if I use the new nails. So as you can see, that's the reason that I don't use this. The nail gets damaged, so I can't use. This is the last one that I'm gonna gonna put it back. But before I'm gonna try to put it over here. So I replaced those 3 damaged shingles, so I'm just putting back the nails, and that will be all. Alright, so I finished with the repair. As you can see, we replaced this so I replaced this shingle, I replaced this shingle, so there was 3 damaged shingles that I replaced. There's another one that I have to replace, but that one we have to remove the ridge caps and everything, so that's why I didn't do any attempt repair. So as you can see here at the beginning, there was not any crease shingles on this one, but take a look at this crease. We got a lot of crease shingles on this section too. As you can see, we got the other shingle damage, and also this is the same problem we have, more crease shingles here, and also the shingle gets damaged. All this, take a look, all this damage that we got. Also this one too, this is all damaged too. Here too, it's all creased, all damaged. So look, so we repaired this shingle, we repaired this shingle and this shingles. So we got another shingle damage. Take a little crease. We got here another shingle damage, crease. We got here another shingle damage. So you can see here, take a look at all this damage that we got. Another one, the last shingle. So I replaced 3 damaged shingles. So I replaced 3 damaged shingles, and we got another 4 damaged shingles. You told me that you paying for additional 10 damaged shingles, but remember, so if I do the repair again, this 4 shingles damage, getting more shingles damage, and this is the only section I'm doing the repair. So we got more than 20 damage in other sections, so that means I'm gonna get more damage if I still follow up, if I'm still doing repair. So that's the reason That's the reason that this roof is non-repairable. Y ahorita voy a